I have this rule, one pet rule.
Yeah.
And then biglang yung mga anak ko meron uli silang makukyutan. Daddy, merong ay, whatever, Belgian. Ampunin na natin. Tapos please. Siyempre si Daddy. Okay, ding. Tattoo. Ang pets na namin. 5. Meron akong Belgian.
One pet rule yun. Welcome to another episode of Ace Home Daddies, the show where we talk about home solutions, practical hacks, and of course, tips on how to become a better home daddy. My name is Dad Bud Joey and I'm your host. And today, I'm with my very good friend, super creative buddy of mine. And you know, he's very inspiring because he started creating content online also, which inspires a lot of people. You know, this guy is part of a band, he's a musician, he's an artist, and he's also a fur daddy. My good friend, JP Cuisot.
Hello.
Welcome, bro. Thank you for joining me.
Ay, oo naman. Salamat sa invitation.
Yeah. You know, Home Daddies is really a spin-off of, you know, the dad community that I have. And today we're talking about mga different home solutions, no? Yung mga bagay na ginagawa natin sa bahay. But of course, beyond just the mga leaks and mga, you know, mga practical home na nasisira. Yung mga bagay na nasisira. Mga tubo-tubo. May mga squeaking joints, gano'n. I think what I like about yung mga napagkwentuhan natin is Ace being a venue where you can actually find mga stuff for art, no? And ikaw being a creative. Meron ka bang project ngayon na ginagawa? Parang baka you can share with us?
Meron. I'm part of Next Comic Art.
Yeah.
So, usually meron kaming mga art drops, meron kaming mga art projects na dinadrop sa States.
Oh, wow.
Sa US. Then, patuloy ako with art bazaars.
Okay.
Actually, naging naging New Year's.
Very big ang mga art bazaars.
New Year's resolution ko yan. Sabi ko, 2025 will be the year of art bazaars for me.
Yeah.
So, ito marami akong up and coming mga art bazaars. Hanggang November yata, meron na akong
So you're surrounded with fellow creators.
Yes, oo. And then, meron din akong, if we're talking about creativity, meron din akong mga creative endeavors sa music. So, my band, the name is Doom Rockets. And we will be releasing our new single bago matapos yung taon.
Okay.
And it will be under Sony Orchard.
Yeah.
So, yun, ayun yung mga excited tayo dyan.
Nice. Looking forward. So, for example, sa bahay nyo, ikaw, mayroon ka ba mga creative projects na ginagawa sa painting the walls or mga gano'n?
Oo. Well, dahil nga ngayon, bazaars.
Yeah.
So, dumadami yung mga merch ko, mga products ko. Yeah. Ngayon, we'll be releasing mga hoodies.
Yeah.
So, imagine mo yung existing ko na mga cabinets. Mga cabinets.
Storage.
Usually, nasa naka-plastic, nakatabi. Pero syempre, madumi. Diba?
Yeah.
So, ngayon, nag-iisip kami ng wife ko na siguro kailangan kong mag-step up. Gawa ako ng mga lalagyan, cabinet. O mga shelves.
Mga containers na malalaking gano'n.
Yan.
Nalagayan ng t-shirt yun
Oh.
Kasi ako nagbebenta rin ako ng mga merch. So, pag kunwari may pop-up, bit-bit mo na lahat.
Yes.
Pinakamahirap yung babalik-balik ka sa
balik-balik. Yung, tapos parang ngayon, inisip na namin na mukhang kailangan natin malaking sasakyan. Parang...
yung mga trolley, bro. Yung mga trolley na... Cute yun yung parang 4 yung gulong na pwede mo hilahin.
Yes.
Pinamita ka before sa isang bazaar. Vinyl naman yung binibenta niya. Tapos doon niya sinasakay.
Oo.
Para daw sabi niya, para 2 trips na lang. Kasi wala na daw siya binubuhat.
Yun na ngayon yung mga... kung project ang pinag-usapan, yun na yung project ko. Paano gagawing mas handy.
Yeah. How to make it more...
the trolleys.
Lalo na, we're not getting younger.
Yes. Yung mga buhatan. Parang kailangan parating may mga gulong, may mga... Di ba? Kung paano mo papagaanin yung...
Available na yan ngayon yung mga bagay na yan Sabi ko nga the other day when we had the other home daddy session, parang available na yung mga bagay.
Yes.
Swerte nga ng mga tao ngayon. Imagine mo before. Buhatin mo talaga yan, di ba? Naka-plastic, dadalhin mo ngayon.
Pati dati, parang wapoys yung mga lalagyanan Ngayon, dito sa Ace, ang gaganda ng mga...
Ganda, very sturdy.
Mukhang pang sundalo. Diba? Ganun yung dating Very manly. Pati talagang hindi lang siya mukhang matibay talaga.
Yeah. But about sa mga painting, sometimes I see your post, no, yung mga artworks that you do. Where do you get some of your materials for that, mga art? Do you find some of them here? Or
Yes, may mga pagkakataon na ay ang tawag dito, ako yung nagma-mount nung canvas.
Yeah.
So of course, pag
canvas, yan makapag na yun talaga pati.
So kailangan mo ng mga kahoy, mga 2x2.
Sino gumagawa ng kahoy? Ikaw rin?
Well,
mo?
may pagkakataon na sinubukan ko yun. Pero ngayon, parang pinapagawa ko na. Para meron nung sisisihin pag, ba't hindi naka-stretch itong maigi. Pero usually, it's the 2x2s. Yeah. And ako, gusto ko kasi yung canvas ko, may mga artist na yung gusto yung canvas yung lumulubog.
Yeah.
Ako gusto ko yung lumalaban eh. So parang...
yung tension niya matatik.
So parang meron akong frame pero gusto ko may plywood pa yun. Tapos yun yung babalutan ko.
So double plywood siya para naka-sandwich yung...
Oo.
Okay.
Like, kumbaga, meron siyang frame. Di ba usually yon yung frame na yun, pwede mo nang lagyan ng canvas.
Yeah.
Ako lalagyan ko pa siya ng plywood.
Para may hila talaga.
Pati para kapag nag-painting ako, lumalaban siya sa akin.
Yeah.
Parang I need that parang that tension para makuha ko yung style ko.
Actually yung mga ko, 'di ba, I opened the kitchen.
Yeah,
ginawa ko mural. Well, not really a mural but that's like art on the wall. No? Yung mga paint, no, you can actually use a lot of paints from here kasi mahal if you're gonna use yung actual artwork.
Yes. Ang kagandahan pa dito sa Ace, papatimpla ako.
Papatimpla?
Yeah. Ng paint. Mga custom.
May gusto kang kulay.
Kasi di ba, tayong mga artists, meron tayong mga gusto, parang hindi lang natin gusto yung mga magenta na. Meron tayong...
Kailangan yung sayan yan. Ito yung number.
So dito, meron akong mga, and this is true, suki sa Ace na talagang ito. Tapos, nagkahalo sila yun.
Yeah, they can really get that shade, no?
Yes.
May nabalita nga, like I think it was you also told me, yung mga sa nag-scout, no, yung mga models, dito sila bumibili ng mga materials for it.
Surprisingly, natuklasan ko siya. Well, I also do custom before, and ang ginagamit ko lang yung mga putty.
Yeah, custom toys, no? Custom models.
Custom toys. And then, parang yung mga friends ko, may mga hack sila na what they use is the can ng mga pangbubong.
Kasi siguro mga siguro.
Tapos parang minahalo nila. Tapos yun, mas madami yung quantity nung clay. Tapos mas matigas siguro.
Mas tipid.
Mas tipid.
So, mahal yung actual no? Yung parang pang ganun talaga.
Kasi parang nasa art, kumbaga mga art materials yun, yung mga 3-5. Dito parang yung isang lata parang 700. So, and then marami pa. If you're parang usapang hack na nga to ng art. Yung mga painting, pagbibili ka ng linseed oil sa mga art shops, medyo mahal. Pero may linseed oil sa Ace. May linseed oil dito sa hardware.
Mga brushes, I guess. No? Malaki yung artwork mo. Actually, nakaka-inspire nga parang I actually wanna get back into it nga, mga big canvases.
Yes, why not?
Now that we're getting older, para we have a bit more time to really re-explore these things.
Pati yung mga gamit ng pang stretch ng canvas. Dati talagang mamanong-mano. Dito may mga tools na na talagang.
Actually, there's a tool for everything.
Yes, kaya sabi mo kanina, parang ang sarap mabuhay ngayon.
If you wanna express something, if you wanna do something, parang dati talagang di mo alam kung saan makukunin yung mga...
Yes.
Makita mo sa important magazine, tas wala na. That's it, di ba? Hindi ba na alam saan makukunin ngayon para it's already available. Nice. Alam mo yung Ace talaga, it's really not just a place for those mga hardware stuff for the house. No? It's an all-around place for home needs. And I guess, projects, especially with your kids, I'm sure.
Yes.
Pag may school project, nung bata tayo, naalala mo gagawa ka ng volcano. Ginawa niyo ba yun sa school? Yung clay,
tapos
may ilaw,
vinegar, tapos vinegar.
Napausukin mo, gano'n. Yung son ko is 5, no? And I'm actually very excited for that time na magkaroon siya kasi syempre, kumbaga, time to shine natin yan, mga creative. It's our time to pagpagalingan niya sa school, no?
Yes. Lalo na, artist ka, may background.
Diorama.
I mean, if the typical is paper mache, ikaw, lalagyan mo ng pati yan.
Yeah.
Yung paint mo medyo may gradient.
Lagyan mo pa ng moss, di ba? Iba-iba.
Yes, oo.
It's interesting how, talagang as dads, no? Parang sometimes we get carried away with projects. Ikaw, nagkaroon ka na ba na instance na tinulungan mo yung anak mo tapos medyo naging competitive ka?
Hindi, kasi yung anak ko medyo na rin medyo art na rin Tapos parang may diskarte silang sarili.
Talaga?
So, ang nangyari, ako lang si tagabili. Parang tagabili lang.
It's nice. That's very interesting. One of the things that I also noticed is you're also a fur dad.
Oh!
Mahilig ka pala sa...
Yan.
So, kwento ka naman about you being a fur parent.
Sobrang sobrang accidental yan. Well, fur dad is di ba? Not necessarily
Not necessarily, any pet with fur.
Originally, ako'y pusa. I am a pusa guy.
Really? Wow.
Oo. Kasi nung bata ako, pusa. And then, sa bahay namin, I have this rule na one pet rule.
Yeah.
So sabi ko, mamili lang kayo, parang isa lang. Siguro kasi nagiging emotional ako kapag may mga, pag mga binaasikasong pets. Di pusa. Ay, meron kaming nakalimutan ko anong lahi yun na mabalahibong pusa. And then, biglang, yung mga anak ko, meron uli silang makukyutan. Dati, merong may whatever, Belgian. Ampunin na natin. Tapos, please. Siyempre si daddy. Okay, ding. Cut 2. Ang pets na namin, 5. Meron akong Belgian.
One pet rule yun.
May Husky, may Yorkie. Nakalimutan ko yung isang lahi. Nakalimutan ko. Tapos,
5 dogs?
Tapos meron akong isang pusa na puspin.
Okay.
Tapos ngayon nanganak. So meron akong
growing family.
4 na pusa. So yung one pet rule, wala na break.
We talked about it already ng wife ko. Para ready na ba si Joselito magkaroon ng pet? We wanna get him a dog eventually. Then I realized, sabi ko, actually, we have to ask kung ready na ba tayo. Kasi for sure, tayo rin naman mag-aalaga.
Ay, totoo yan.
Parang inisip mo, bilang ko yung anak ko. Tapos bilang nagsingin.
Totoo yan.
Ikaw na yun, di ba? Ikaw na yung magiging master nun. Yeah.
Ang mangyayari niyan, sabihin niya, sige, ampunin natin to, daddy. Then, kami mag-aalaga. Make sure, kayong mag-aalaga. Ganyan. Pero, pag tumagal niyan, wala. Ako yung gumagawa, ako yung naglilinis ng mga kulungan, ako yung naglilinis ng mga poops and everything. Ako yung, mahaba na yung kuko nito, ipapa-groom na natin to. So ako rin yung nag-aasikaso.
Ikaw rin.
Oo.
So speaking of taking care of your pet, taking care of your dog, let's look at this gift. Now, this box from Doggy's Choice. Doggy's Choice is available here at Ace Hardware.
Wow.
And we need to unbox this so that we can see what's inside.
Okay.
Ano ba yung mga surprises ng Doggy's Choice at Ace?
Okay yan Doggy's Choice.
Ganda yung masarap yung meron tayong bina-unbox.
Ang
ganda ng packaging parang design-wise.
Parang may mga sticker yung dating, di ba?
Kaya maganda yan
Graphic.
Unbox mo, meron ka pang something to look at.
Yes.
Cute tong aso na to.
Na-appreciate natin yung mga illustrations.
Parang na-distract na tayo sa box. Sa alaman. Alright, so inside it, there's mga shampoo. And of course, soap. No? Ikaw ba nagpapaligo sa aso nyo?
Oo. Pero kapag yung tipong medyo kailangan na ng grooming talaga sa groomer na.
Siguro mas maganda if we invite someone from Doggy's Choice to join us so that they can explain what are the things that they have inside this box. No? Galing talaga ng technology, di ba? We just asked for a representative from Doggy's Choice, and here she is, Phoebe from Doggy's Choice.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Hi, thank you
to
for
Home
having
Daddies.
me. Thank you.
Yeah, so we were just talking about, of course, the products, and how nice the box is. But we didn't want to second guess what the products are for. That's why we wish that someone from Doggy's Choice was going to be
An
expert.
An expert who can really explain to us what it is. So maybe you can tell us a bit more about what Doggy's Choice is and what are the products that you guys have.
Sure. So Doggy's Choice is a pet care product company. We have things ranging from shampoos to pet house cleansers as well. We have a medicated line for our tick and fleas for our fur babies, tick and flea, mange. We also have some maintenance and grooming lines as well, so we can.
You know these things are kumbaga, unavoidable. When you have a pet, like I had a dog for almost 12 years, and a small Shih Tzu. We lived in a condo, but even if we lived in a condo, no, which is like a contained space. She would never go out, but still, no, she would get into these problems the moment you take them. Yeah. Ikaw, bro, with your experience having like a range of different dogs, now you have like a big dog, small dogs. What are the common issues that you have to deal with?
Actually, kanina narinig ko, pet house maintenance.
Pet house cleanser.
Cleansers.
That's used for cleaning the house?
For pet houses or the space that the pets stay
That's so cool.
Na naging interesado ako kasi alam mo naman tayong mga dads, we improvise kung anong mga sabon-sabon diyan. Mga dishwashing.
We make our own concoction.
So,
it's this one.
Isa 'yon sa mga nakikita ko na uy, kailangan ko 'to.
Yeah.
Kasi yun nga it's that design. I mean, pwede bang mag-confess?
Yeah.
I'm using dishwashing soap para
to clean the space of your
pang dishwashing, to clean the space. I think ito parang nakita ko may anti-parasitic. So hindi lang siya
it doesn't just clean, it actually eliminates.
It has phenylbutyrate, so it helps with removing parasites from the living space.
Isa to sa mga problems.
We were just talking about it earlier about how there's a product for everything.
Yes.
And here it is. There's an actual product just for the doggy house.
Yan, doggy house. Of course, yung meron akong aso, meron akong husky.
Yeah.
Medyo mabalahibo. Yeah. So ngayon ang nagsished.
May mga ganun din ba? May mga hair fall.
Yes. Yes, but so for our grooming line, we actually have perfect for huskies. That now that you say it, so we have there's a husky on there.
Oo nga eh.
So this is our Kawati Natural grooming line. This is our peppermint scent. It's our cool peppermint variant.
Wow.
This is perfect for dogs with thicker furs and thicker coats. Because huskies, they're supposed to be in colder climates.
Yeah.
So.
The peppermint will help.
Yes, it's like a cooling
effect. Make them feel more comfortable.
Yes.
Interesting.
Go on.
So that's something different about Doggy's Choice. Like there's a customized product for the type of breed. What other breeds do you have products for?
So this is our volumizing Kawati Natural grooming line. This is
my wife will get jealous if I buy that for her. Mas maarte pa yung shampoo na.
Baka gamitin niya.
So this one's for like Shih Tzus, like you were saying, where they have longer fur and we need to maintain them a different way than, let's say, a husky's fur. So with this, it's formulated for the fur and like the roots of the fur as well.
So all these products are available in Ace.
Yes, all of them. Yes.
Oh, cool. So
in all different sizes as well.
Yeah. So you don't have to, if you want to try it first, you can get the smaller size.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think for pets in particular, you have to really see which is going to work.
Yeah, you definitely have to test it out and see which one works well with them, what they respond better to.
Do you have any suggestions for people who are just starting to have a pet in the house? Like for example, me, I'm thinking of actually buying a dog for my son. He's 5 and he wants he's starting to get really curious about pets. I'm happy that he likes dogs. That was such a big breakthrough. If you're a parent, if you're a dog, if you're a dog lover and you're a parent, one of the things that you're scared of is that your kid will have a phobia or fear of dogs because that's kind of like you ruin his childhood. I'm thinking, what would be your recommendation for first time for parents?
So first time, definitely, the essentials would be your pet house cleanser. So from the beginning, they're already in a clean space.
Basic.
And then you need a daily shampoo. So that would be our Kawati line because they're more mild soaps because you can't be using the medicated line all the time because sometimes their skins will kind of create the resistance and they'll become immune to it. But it's also good to have a maintenance one, which is our 3-in-1. This one, this green one. That's our 3-in-1 herbal shampoo. So you can maybe once a month or however often you choose. But that one's a medicated one. So it's anti-parasitic, anti-inflammatory. So it has madre de cacao, which is What we're super proud of, actually, we're Filipino made, locally made, and we have Madre de Cacao in all of our products. I mean, except for the cleanser, but Madre de Cacao is. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it, but it's
no.
it's specifically very good for dogs and our pets.
Okay.
Actually, even cats. If you have a cat, it also is good. It helps with their skin, anti-parasitic, antifungal. So, sometimes, especially with the humid heat, like if their fur is wet and you don't dry it all the way, the humid, it creates like fungus or bacteria, attracts bacteria. So definitely I would suggest to have your pet house cleanser, one for daily use and then one for maintenance too.
Tsaka now, bro, hindi na uso yung... I remember when I was a kid, no, having a pet would be your dog is living outside the house. That's how it was in the Philippines. Now they're part of the household. What I really didn't like before was when the dog would play, when my pet would play outside. Then it would get wet and stuff, and they would go back inside. Like that type of mess, no?
Papasok sa bahay. Puto.
And they kind of like smell, like sometimes they smell bad because of like the moisture.
The moisture, when they're first wet and it dries up.
Yeah.
So it's really amazing that we have products like these, no, that will make you living in your house with your pets, with your family, of course, keeping everything clean.
Yeah.
Available, no, especially available here in Ace. So again, thank you very much, Phoebe, for joining us, for joining Home Daddies, and of course, thank you very much, Doggy's Choice, for being here. And of course, I just want to remind everyone that Doggy's Choice is available here in Ace Hardware. Bro, galing talaga, no? Pagka, when you think about the home, napakadami niyang dimensions. Hindi lang siya stuck sa bahay, pamilya. Parang kasama na dyan ngayon, especially in the modern household, yung fur babies.
Yes.
Diba? And I think, even nutrition, food, ganun, gardening, parang it's really part of the, when you think about the home, no, or the house, parang uso na ngayon yung mga plantito.
Yes, oo.
And kaya nito, parang itong mga products from our friends from Ramgo. Tignan mo itong lettuce, no? Napaka-fresh niya.
Oo nga eh.
Kayo ba mahilig kayo kumain ng salad sa bahay?
Oo, lalo na
Salad
siyempre,
eaters,
yung anak ko medyo dalaga na.
Yeah, so
Medyo gusto nila yung medyo
gusto nila eating like, ako nga like,
conscious sila.
because I'm in the food business, so I have a small cat.
Ay, oo, sakto.
Parang I think lettuce in particular, yung mga ganitong types of green, masarap yan pag fresh eh.
Oo, wow. Oh,
It has to be freshly picked. Kasi pag medyo tumagal na ng konti sa ref yan,
nahalata mo.
Nag-iiba na yung quality eh. And ang galing lang na parang, it's available here. You can actually grow it in your home, in your house. Ito, napansin ko to kanina, no, while we were talking. If you look at this, guys, this is called the sinigang veggie seeds. Ang cute lang nung concept niya na parang pwede mo siya kainin after. So, tatanim mo siya, gagrow mo. So, farm to table.
Hindi ka na pinaproblema. Parang yung sinigang. Ito na, may okra, merong sitaw, di ba? Lahat. May kangkong, tomatoes.
So, but conceptually, no, ako nga was imagining it. The way we understand vegetables kasi as Filipinos or in general is through our food.
Yes.
Food is the best educator when it comes to these things. Kung ituro ko sa anak ko, yan yung mga gulay na yan yung nilalagay sa sinigang. Or else, why would they care, di ba? Why would they care to know what okra or what radish is? Actually,
parang siya, mabibigyan ng context.
Yeah, mas nabibigyan ng lalim yung education. And lalala ko nung bata tayo, bro, hindi pa ganito kadami yung mga seeds, di ba? Parang ang available lang nun, corn, those basic stuff. Ngayon, there's so many.
Petchay, ganun lang.
You can even grow sunflowers.
Oh, wow.
Wow, imagine that. And even Celosia Castle Pink.
Wow, yan. Medyo kakaiba yan, ha?
Kala ko mushroom, turnip pala, turnip.
Celosia.
Yeah. So you can grow from the products from Ramgo, yung mga seeds sila, you can grow from vegetables all the way to mga flowers. There's a box here. They wanted us to see what's inside and to really discuss. I think this is a new product from Ramgo. It's a hydroponic kit para to do sa mga tao na who wants to get into it, who are curious, no? Of course, it's always nice to grow your own vegetables para alam mo talaga what's in it. Maybe we can have a look at what's inside and later baka we can invite someone from Ramgo to join us so that we can talk about this product and of course the other products that they have. So it already comes with a container. Basically, yan mo na itatanim yun.
It solves the problem if you want to magplant For example,
I guess if you wanna learn, no, nandiyan na rin yung mga nutrients
yes.
and even the cups. Tapos meron na siyang kasamang seeds.
Ayun. Sakto.
So basically, assembly mo na lang siya tapos
one-stop shop. Doon na lahat.
ready to grow. But I'm really curious about the process, no? And I guess para rin yung mga listeners natin, yung mga viewers natin, can be a bit more educated. So,
kasi tayo ngayon, pini-freestyle lang natin eh. Parang kailangan natin ng
actually,
authority.
Nagmamarunong lang ako. Parang very daddy, no? Very daddy na feeling know-it-all. But I wanna learn more about it from our friends from Ramgo. And we're joined by Abby from Ramgo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello, Abby.
Hi, Abby. Thank you very much for joining us kasi kanina sabi nga namin ni JP, nagmamarunong lang kami. Freestyle. We're trying to pretend that we understand what hydroponics is really all about or what the seeds are. Siguro, baka would be great if you can explain to us what this product is.
Sure. So, first of all, thank you for inviting us. So, si Ramgo kasi, we wanted to give yung audience namin or yung customer namin the conveniency on farming. So, kaya meron kami mga products like katulad nitong hydroponic kit wherein it's included na lahat yung gagamitin po nila for hydroponic. Kasi si hydroponic may different type po. This type of hydroponic is water cultured type of hydroponic. So, dito, naka-stock water lang po siya. So,
Hindi
yung
siya kailangan
water,
nagsisirculate.
hindi kailangan nagsisirculate.
okay,
So, meron kasi tayong tinatawag na NFT method.
Yeah.
Merong mga drifting method, may water culture method. So,
Wow,
different
iba pala
type of hydroponic planting. So, this one is one type lang po.
Okay. This is probably the easiest. Buti na lang
Buti
dumating.
na lang nandyan siya. Kasi ibang klase pala at na-explain sa atin kung ano to.
And this is the easiest po, plus pwedeng gawin kahit ng mga bata.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
So, kaya si Ramgo is naisipan niya na it will be convenient para din sa students, sa mga mothers na laging nasa bahay. So, madali lang siya. So, kaya meron siyang nutrient solution kasi this is the key sa hydroponic planting.
That's also available if you wanna buy yan lang.
Yes, this is available po individually
So you
naman.
can actually DIY something like this.
Yes, pwede
If you
din.
wanna get into
If
that.
you have your own container,
Mga old containers sa bahay
Pwede
para
din,
rin may upcycling na nangyayari.
tama.
Oh, cool.
So sa hydroponic po kasi, ang pinagkaiba niya sa traditional farming, si traditional farming kasi is soil method of planting.
Yes.
So yun yung nakasanayan natin, magtatanim ka sa lupa, i-grow mo yung seeds hanggang makapag-harvest
Didiligan mo yun
ka.
everyday, di ba? Kailangan.
So si hydroponic is a soilless method of planting.
Yeah.
So wala nang kailangan lupa,
Pero
magtatanim
this
ka na
thing,
in water.
what is this? This is
So this is included dito sa kit. This is a coco plug.
okay.
plug.
Coco plug.
Okay.
So parang alternative siya sa mga coco peat,
Okay.
other mediums.
So parang siya na yung nagpa-function as the soil na way.
Siya na yung magiging holder. Sir.
Holder of the
So yun yung tawag natin.
So dyan
sa
tutubo
kanya.
yung ugat.
Diyan natin patutubuin
Yeah.
yung seeds. Yes po. So ang gagawin lang natin dito is babasain siya.
Yeah.
So but once na mabasa na po siya, may butas to, dito lang natin ilalagay yung seeds.
Oh, that's such a cool project for kids, ha?
Oh.
Yes.
Like ako nga, I guess in my kids' school, pwede nila gawin to. Kasi ngayon ang ginagawa nila sa mga preschool, meron sila mga baso sa labas ng ng classroom. Ganun, munggo.
That's the usual.
Sa bahay kasi munggo, mabilis
Madali
tumubo.
kasi.
So nakikita ka agad nila.
Mabilis
But it would be
mag-sprout.
a good project that kids could do, no?
Yes. And Ramgo also have that kind of product din po.
Okay,
So we have
for
mga
kids.
grow kits naman, mga small potted.
Okay, and it's available here in ACE.
It's available nationwide in ACE. Yes.
So pag gusto ng mga gusto nyong mag-experiment on hydroponics and you guys wanna or buy some seeds para itanim sa mga bakuran, they can find it here in ACE.
Yes. All our products naman is available in ACE kasi we have different packaging po eh. We just not sell hydroponic kit.
Yes.
We also sell seeds ng from herbs, flowers, vegetables. We have even microgreens we have.
Wow, yung microgreens maganda yun kasi.
Yes, we have
it's easy. You can just
microgreens.
put it on the kitchen counter.
Yes,
And,
it's a 7 to
ito
10
pang
days lang.
hydroponic kit na to, does it require a lot of light? Like what's the setup like? Saan mo to lalagay sa bahay?
So actually, depende sa itatanim nyo po. Like for example, if you wanted lettuce like this one, si lettuce kasi unlike other leafy, medyo maarte siya sa temperature. So it really requires talaga a good a temperature requirement. Plus, bawal siyang maulanan, dapat nasa shaded area siya.
Yeah.
If you have a greenhouse, better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pero if wala naman pong greenhouse, dapat nasa
Para
shaded
shade.
area siya.
Yeah.
Okay,
nasa
okay.
shaded
No direct,
area siya.
kumbaga no direct
No
sunlight.
direct sunlight.
Yeah.
Ma-
And you can
mabilis siyang
also
mag-burn.
create like your own lighting, no? I guess,
Yes, if you really wanted na mag-set up indoor,
yeah,
pwede naman, you just need to buy a grow light.
a grow light.
Or
And that's, I think you can hack that here in Ace, though. You can actually create your own
Yes.
set up mga fluorescent
Yes.
light, no?
Merong mga available naman na nabibili
Yeah.
na set
Pero
up
mas
na siya.
maganda yung
Pero if
pinapahirapan mo yung sarili mo,
DIY,
diba?
maganda siya.
Lalo na kung activity niya ng mga kids.
It's
It's a good bonding. Yes,
Oh,
tama.
Yeah.
Saan yung
Tuturo
araw,
mo.
saan yung UV
Like you
light.
can totally geek out on it, no? Para explaining the direction of the sun, where it's, ano.
And
Kasi-
finally, hindi lang nyo kakantayin yung Old MacDonald.
Yeah.
Yung ini-invite nyo na kasi yung mga bata, kaya nyo
Or Bahay
maging
Kubo.
farmer,
Bahay Kubo.
Bahay Kubo.
Very
Farming.
American, Old MacDonald.
Oh,
Kaya kami naggagawa ng mga ganitong kit for bonding din po talaga ng family.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's a
Actually,
good
more activities like this nga for me, no, especially for us dads, naghahanap talaga ng mga ganyan rin, mga beyond the gadgets.
yes,
that,
exactly.
Para rin matuto yung mga unplug. Ang sabi nga nila, we need to unplug our children and get their hands dirty. Ito, hindi siya ganun ka-dirty kasi nga hydroponic siya, medyo cleaner, but at least they get an understanding of how things grow.
Yes, tama.
Galing talaga na Ace, no? It's not just a place where you understand how things work, but now also how things grow. Wow, that's such a nice thing to understand. So thank you very much, Abby, for joining us and sharing us, teaching us about the concept of hydroponics. Actually, soon, I'm gonna geek out on this. Baka magtanim na rin ako ng mga gulay sa bahay namin. Oh, sige, dami natin natututunan.
Madali, ano naman I'm sure madali lang yan, yung directions niya.
Yes, the direction is very easy po. For a 10 liter of water, 25 ml.
Yeah.
Both A and B. 25 ml lang and it's good for 30 days na. So technically speaking, pagdating sa mga ganitong lettuces na around 45 to 60 days siya, after i-transplant po kasi 35 to 45 days na. So parang full crop cycle.
Yeah,
na
may
siya.
cycle siya.
Okay.
So kung kulangin naman, pag inangat nyo po to, then nakita nyo na medyo tuyo na yung water, you just have to add on water plus
Yeah.
nutrient solution.
Okay.
So ganun lang siya convenient and easy.
Oo. Ay, hindi ipapa-assignment mo sa mga bata.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
your assignment for today, check. Kung may
Check.
tubig pa.
Yeah. Meron sila para routine, no?
Yeah, tama.
Alright, okay. So thank you very much. Again,
Thank
very
you.
informative. Dami natin natutunan.
Oo.
Maraming salamat, Ramgo. And thank you
Okay.
very much, Abby, for
Thank you.
joining us.
Salamat.
Again, Ramgo products available here in Ace.
Yes.
And their hydroponic kit is now available. So for those dads or families who wants to start their hydroponic journey, to learn about it, you can get it here at Ace. Thank you. So bro, nakakatuwa talaga na parang when you think about household or I guess being a home daddy, parang yung roles natin nagbabago-bago eh. We're not just taking care of our families, we're also
Yes.
taking care of the household. Kailangan walang sira, di ba? Siyempre, uwayan sila ng misis mo pagkakawari, meron ka nakalimutan na bagay na. Ano. Kanina umaga nga, nagpalit ako ng battery ng remote. No? Na-realize ko na parang may mga bagay talaga sa bahay na cycle siya na parang kailangan mong
Yes.
so mga points siya that you have to always check.
Oo.
Naalala ko parang yung tatay na nagbabantay sa gabi tapos nilalak lahat ng
Yes.
ganun ka ba ngayon sa bahay no?
Oo eh. Parang
You make sure that all the windows are closed.
Yung mga maliliit na bagay.
Yeah,
Bawa
yeah.
ako yung aalis kami ng bahay. Ako yung check kung nakasarado ba lahat ng mga plugs, naka-plug out yung mga yung mga extension cord naka-close.
Yeah.
And again, yung mga battery ng aircon, battery ng
Yeah, kailangan mo
battery
siguro
na,
gawin.
remote control. Oh, wala na to hindi na to gumagana. So ikaw yung bibili.
Yeah.
Mga maliliit na detalye.
There are really those things that we really have to always be mindful of.
Yes.
And, for the household, beyond just the house, we can take care of our pets. And
Yun.
even the garden, no? Even may nga, pati food, no? Pwede natin
Oo.
alagaan sa bahay. Parang we are in charge of bigger things.
Yes.
Parang ano. And again,
Parang maliliit siya, pero
Yeah.
actually kung susumahin mo, dahil nga pag nag-ipon-ipon yung mga maliliit na yon,
Yeah.
I mean the dogs, the
Yeah.
grooming, the batteries and everything, parang wow.
ano pala siyang Ace. Madami,
Oo.
maliliit na bagay, all in one
Oo.
place. Di ba?
Oo.
Everything that you need.
Yes, kumbaga you have to ace it. Ano bang I'm using a baraha term here. Pero,
So anyways, again, thank you very much, JP, for joining me. Ang sarap ng kwentuhan natin.
Ayo, salamat din.
Creativity to being a fur parent to even the plants. And also our guests from Ramgo and Doggy's Choice.
Yes,
maraming salamat.
Sa
They're available here in Ace. And again, this is your dad, Bud Joey, and I'm joined by JP Coizon for Home Daddies.